how to charge an air conditioning system. I'm not going to get too much into how to do it with the machine, because if you guys have a machine, you don't need to be trained. Now, if you live in the city of Newport Beach and you need help with air conditioning, give me a call. But right now, let's talk about how to charge it. Now, the reason I have all these machines here, and they're new machines, is I have all the machines in the back, 3, 4 of them that still work. But I don't trust the scales anymore. So these scales are a lot more more accurate, because as little as 10% undercharge can send your compressor to an early grave. Most of the compressors I replace are because people overcharge them or undercharge them. Overcharge them, you build head pressure, and then you got that little gauge that says green and not green. That's a joke. That is a joke, because I mean, on a hot day, on a cold day, the pressures are going to vary. So if you want to charge it at home, again, I'm going to start. Find out how much air conditioning your car takes. Now, if you're lucky, it'll take what the can has to offer you. Like, for example, if it's a 10-ounce can and you take 10 ounces, then you put 1 can in, but you empty it all first. Empty it all, because you don't know what you're putting in. If you got 6 ounces and you had 12 ounces, then you got 18 ounces. And if it only takes 12, you're way undercharged. You're going to kill that compressor. I have replaced 3 compressors in the last month. All 3 of them were people overcharged the system. So it's not worth it for you. And put it on vacuum. When you remove all the freon, you put it on vacuum to get the moisture out. To get the moisture combined with refrigerant creates a chemical that can send you to an early grave. So there's a reason. I mean, I could use the gauges, I could use the old ones. Why am I going to invest on the new machines? And this is even the brand new refrigerant. Not that many cars are out yet. I've only had two demands for this machine yet, but I have it already, because I'm not going to do work on a car without the proper equipment. So Francisco Sani Motor. You have any questions, give me a call, 714-375-2661. Any automotive questions. You live in the city of Newport Beach, Irvine, Seal Beach, Huntington Beach, give me a call with any of your automotive questions, especially air conditioning.